Now the next topic we are going to learn is duality. Here there is interchange of sign, means and will be replaced by or and or will be replaced by and. Here tautology is also replaced by contradiction. Contradiction means false or falsy, and tautology and vice versa. For example, if P or Q or R, here duality is P and Q and R, means here only signs are changed. Next example we are going to study is negation of P or Q and negation of R or Q. So the negation sign cannot be changed, it will remain as it is. Only there is change of this and or sign. Here or will change as and will change as and or will change as and. Negation sign will does not change, it will remain as it is. Next topic we are going to study is negation and equivalency. Equivalency means, see, understand. First topic, P implies Q. It is also represented as negation of P or Q. Both are the same. Next, P implies Q and Q implies P is equals to this C. P implies Q and Q implies P. Both are same. It is only simplification. It can be represented by like this. Next, negation. Negation means opposite or negative form. First topic is negation of conjunction, means negation of that and or but. For example, we have taken here P and Q's negation. So only sign will change and the negation symbol will come. True becomes false and false becomes true, like this. This is the formula, we have to remember this. Next, negation of disjunction means or will become and. See, by applying negation, the sign and the statement is also changed, it will become in negative form. So here negation of P or Q will become negation of P and negation of Q. Next, negation of implication. Like negation of P implies Q is negation of P or Q. So the simplification will be negation of P and negation of Q. Here negation of P will become P and it will remain as it is. Here and or symbol is exchanged by and, means it is opposite. Next, negation of double implication. Negation of P implies Q and Q implies P is like this. Negation of P implies Q or negation of Q implies P. By simplifying we get P and negation of Q or Q and negation of P. Next, negation of quantified statement. Earlier we have learned that universal and existential, that one. So here every word or every is exchanged by some and some are exchanged by every or all. For example, we are going to study is understand that all girls are topper. It is example. We have to interchange, means we have to convert it into negation, then it will come as some girls are not topper, means it is negation. The some will be exchanged by every or every is exchanged by some. Next topic we are going to learn is laws. Next topic is laws. First law is idempotent law. In this law, see, P or P is P, P and P is P. This is law used to simplify the circuit without using truth table. Next law is associative law. In this we have to associate. For example, see here formula P or Q. Here we have done here association like this. P and Q and R. We have done here association. All are combined here. Next topic we are going to study is commutative law. Commutative law is interchange only the connectives. See, first P or Q is interchanged by Q or P. There is no interchange of their truth value. It will remain as it is. Only the sequence is changed or connectives are changed. And here P and Q is Q and P. Next law is we are going to study is distributive law. Distributive law is distribution of the connectives. Here P or Q. Next law we are going to study is distributive law. Here distribution is made. For example, see your formula P or Q and R. So the distribution is made. This symbol comes in the middle. Like see here, this symbol comes in the middle and it is like a multiplication. P or Q and Q or R. P or R. Next, like a P and Q or R, the distribution is made P and Q. This symbol comes in the middle and P and R. The P is multiplied to both. Next law is identity law. It is the main law or main law. So we have to remember this. Like P or false is P and P and false is false. Like this, P or true is true, P and true is P. We have simplified this law in the next. Here see simplification of identity law. I have taken one of the law and P or false. So this is the truth table of P and it is compared with false. So P or false is true, true or false is true, true or false is true, false or false is false, and false or false is false. So the truth value comes is this table and this table is similar. So P or false is P. This is verified. The first and the last column are same. Next law is we are going to study is complement law. In this, P or negation of P will come true and P and negation of P will come as false. For example, take the truth P as true and the negation of true is false. So true or false will become true. But if we take and both should be true to become true. Here take P as true and negation of true is false. So P true and false is false. It is also verified. Next law we are going to study is involution law. So negation of P will become P. Like take example of negation. Take the example like P as true. So negation of true will becomes false and negation of false becomes true. So the value comes is true, as we have mentioned here as true. So negation of true becomes false and negation of false becomes true. Next law is we are going to study is De Morgan's law. It is the most important law of this all law. It is used to simplify the laws as well as in the circuit. Take negation of P or Q. So negation of P or Q will become here negation of P and negation of Q. The sign is interchange, means odd becomes and. Next formula, next law, negation of P and Q. So negation of P or negation of Q. So here and is replaced by or, that is negation. Next law we are going to study is absorption law. So P and Q, it will become P, and P or Q will become P. It can be verified by using simplification or by making it simplify. Next law is last law is conditional law. So P implies Q becomes negation of P or Q, as we have studied earlier this, and P implies Q and Q implies P become negation of P or Q and negation of Q or P. Thank you.